once again back to the issue of spelling her name. We were dealing with that.
I think all of us are in agreement that it's Ms. King. We have that?
Yes.
Or you'll never speak to Bridget again?
Well, our main focus is to show that we have a victim that suffered real injuries and that this is a serious incident and that it's not resolved. The fact that she's discharged from the hospital is only step one. That she still has silicone in her lungs. She'll remain to have silicone in her lungs. And the best hope that we have is that it remains there and that she is able to have some quality of life. But as the doctor testified, it's precarious and we don't know.
I didn't hear anything in there today that suggested to me that this child, this young lady, has suffered a serious bodily injury. She's 23 years old, she's back to dancing. And that's not to cast aspersions on what she does for a living, but she's back to dancing. She's back working. Okay? She didn't lose a leg, she didn't lose an arm. She doesn't have a permanent scar on her face or some other disfiguring mark. So the question of whether an aggravated assault charge should apply is really one that ultimately has to be decided in this case, because again, the question is, did my client specifically intend to cause her serious bodily injury, or did she cause serious bodily injury recklessly?
She acts as if she's a nurse and tells them that she has a background in cosmetology. She gives instructions as if this is some sort of medical procedure that should be happening. Tells them how to lay down. She tells them what it will feel like, and then she tells them to lay down afterwards, drink lots of water, and that she'll call them later to follow up.
I think this case really highlights the level to which people will go to enhance themselves, and the fact that they'll even do things that are extremely reckless or otherwise dangerous. And I think that's a separate issue, but I think that has to be generally addressed.